Hello! The journey to explore the Super Mario Kingdom has concluded, filled with so much joy. Every character that appeared brought a surprise, making the entire adventure more vibrant than ever.
Oh! Wow! Bingo!
Okay, let go.
Whatever. I like it.
Wow, Princess Peach. Her signature pink dress is quite lovely. When she dances, she is the shining center of attention.
Look, Mario! I found the star!
Wow, it's so bright! Thanks, Princess!
We did it! Flying high across the sky, a kingdom awaits. My friends are near.
Wow!
Are you ready? Well, here we go!
Da 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 da. Da 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 da. La 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 la. Bingo!
Wow, Mario the Builder. He's a trusted friend of Princess Peach, and he and his brother Luigi are known across the land for their acts of bravery.
I see flowers. Whimsical music plays. Look at this! This is it! Yes!
That's really interesting. I like it. Phew! No, 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 no. That's it. Wow.
Wow, Donkey Kong, he loves bananas and always keeps a large supply of them in his treehouse.
Ah, now this is the life. This drink is absolutely perfect. Paradise. All right, here we go. Not so fast. Let's go.
Wow, that's so cool!
Okay. La di da di da di da da.
Surprise!
Oh wow, Toad is very cheerful and loyal. Don't underestimate him just because he's small.
Wow, a super flower. That's amazing.
Toad, you deserve it.
Thanks, Mario. This is the best. Enjoy. Yahoo! Look what I found. A superstar. Let's get going.
I like it. Wow. Oh. That's really interesting.
Useful.
Wow.
Wow, Yoshi is kind and carefree. He uses his long tongue to gobble up fruit and enemies, which he can turn into eggs for throwing.
Let's go. Faster. Yeah, look at them. So pretty. We'll get them.
Wow. Okay. Whatever. I like it. Bingo!
Wow, Luigi is kind but can be a bit nervous, especially around ghosts.
You're such a good boy. Woof, woof. All right, everyone. Looking good.
Yeah.
Let's go. Woohoo!
Wow.
The colorful world of Super Mario has come to a close. See you all again for the next exciting adventures. Goodbye and bye-bye.